So this is Heavy Lifting 101. This is one of the most important things that you can do in exercise to make sure that you can increase your testosterone production. I will explain to you just why in this lecture. Lifting more weight, which is also increasing your intensity, increases your testosterone production, because when you lift heavier weight, your body needs to produce more testosterone. Your body responds by producing more testosterone and growth hormone to adapt to the increased intensity and level of weight that you are placing on your body. So when you increase that workload and increase that intensity, your body says, oh crap, I've got to lift a ton of weight now in this certain way. And in order to do that, it decreases your body fat and also grows bigger and stronger muscles, so you produce more testosterone and more growth hormone as a result to lifting heavier weights. Make sure to be using those big compound lifts that I discussed earlier. And this also serves a dual purpose. This is what's really cool about exercise and incorporating it into your life as part of your testosterone production plan, because exercise in itself, as we just talked about, naturally increases your level of testosterone by responding to that workload that's placed on you by the exercise that you're doing, but also having less body fat, as we discussed in our earlier lectures, is a great way to naturally increase your testosterone production. So you've got this great synergy and effect going on between your losing fat and your gaining testosterone and growth hormone by lifting when you're in the gym, or if you're working out at home, and you're also decreasing your level of body fat by exercise. And when you have a lower natural level of body fat, that also improves your body's production of testosterone and therefore growth hormone. So now you have unlocked the magical secret, or we have unlocked the magical secret together, of how exercise in particular can help you boost your testosterone and growth hormone production.